Let's be honest, talking about money in a blended family can feel tricky.
Even couples who communicate well in every other area can hit a wall when it comes to finances.
And you're not alone. We've seen couples who love each other deeply, but can't seem to have a money conversation without it turning into stress, silence, or conflict.
Money isn't just math, it's meaning. It's how we express love, protection, and security. So when we talk about money, we're actually talking about trust.
And in a blended family, there are layers. Two sets of histories, two different money stories, and often two approaches to what's fair.
It's not that you disagree about your goals, it's that you haven't defined the shared language to talk about them yet.
That's where communication becomes the key to peace. And not just financial peace, emotional peace. Let's talk about how to do this better. Here are 3 ways to talk about money without fighting.
Tip number 1, choose calm timing. Don't talk about money in the heat of a moment. Set aside time when you're both relaxed. Maybe Saturday morning coffee or during a walk.
And tip 2, be curious, not critical. Instead of, why did you spend that? Try, help me understand what's important about that for you. That single shift changes the whole tone.
And tip number 3, focus on the future, not the past. Don't relive every financial misstep. Talk about what you both want moving forward, what kind of life, legacy, or example you want to set for your kids. In our work with blended families, we guide these conversations all the time. Sometimes it helps to have a neutral voice, someone who can translate financial facts into shared understanding.
That's part of what the White Oak Pathway does. We create a safe, structured space for couples to talk about money. Without blame, without shame, without fear.
We focus on goals, not guilt, and that changes everything.
If you've been avoiding money conversations because they feel tense or emotional, remember the goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress.
And it's never too late to start fresh. With the right approach, these conversations can actually bring you closer together.
If you'd like to learn how, schedule a complimentary Connect call using the link below. We'll help you begin a calm, constructive conversation about your finances and your future.
Your blended family deserves harmony at home and in your financial life.
I'm April with White Oak Planning. If today's topic resonated with you, subscribe or share this with someone who might benefit.
And I'm Jerry. When your plan is rooted in clarity, your family can grow stronger together. We're White Oak Planning, helping blended families find financial clarity and grow stronger together.